Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a clean, high-resolution photo. Make sure the subject is well lit and faces the camera. Next, open your Image to Anime tool, local model for privacy, or a web service for speed. Once chosen, set a style reference so the model knows whether to aim for studio realism or simplified chibi. You also adjust basic crop and composition now, because getting framing right first saves time later. So do that before you hit the transform button. Now you tune the model. First, refine facial alignment and landmark mapping. You must correct any shifted eyes or tilted jaw so the anime output keeps likeness. Then set the transformation strength about 0, 4 to 0. 8 is a good range, lower keeps realism, higher stylizes more. After that, pick color saturation, line art weight, and shading detail. These determine the final texture. Make sure to preview a small crop, because iterative tweaks here lead to far better full image results. Render the full image at your target resolution and inspect for artifacts like jagged edges or lost details. If you see issues, perform selective post-editing. Clone out glitches, paint over missing lines, or tweak saturation and contrast to match your reference. Once you're happy, save versions and export layered files if available. If things go wrong, for example, warped eyes or color shifts, reduce transformation strength, realign landmarks, or change the random seed. These steps usually fix persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.